Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over the question, is OfferUp Premium worth it? Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you need to sell some stuff, used stuff on OfferUp or Facebook Marketplace. So let's say that you need to sell some used stuff in order to declutter your home. Is OfferUp Premium worth it? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So on OfferUp, if you log in and then click on the bottom right hand corner where it says account, you're going to see this option to go ahead and upgrade to OfferUp Premium. Now, I recently used OfferUp Premium and you can see that the benefits are early access, more responses, inbox priority, and no ads. I personally don't think it's worth it because when it comes to selling stuff, you can sell for free on OfferUp and Facebook Marketplace. So I tried it out for a 3-day free trial and my listings most certainly got more views. But that didn't necessarily mean that my listings were selling for more, and it also didn't mean that my listings were selling quicker. So I recommend against it. I don't think you need it at $8 a month. Unless you hate seeing ads, then I'd say that's a bigger reason to pay for $8 a month, which is to not see ads on OfferUp. But in regards to selling though, I don't think you need it. I tested it out. It only got more views on my listings, but I was still able to sell normally. So my recommendation is that instead of paying for OfferUp Premium, you sell on OfferUp, and then you also sell on other marketplaces like Facebook Marketplace. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and explain, is OfferUp Premium worth it? If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually explain this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.